just rusted up. Rusted everything, you hear me?
Whew, them things rusted, man.
Yeah, you now rocking with Rips Whips.
Okay, so I'm gonna clean them up. I'm gonna take my trip. Then when I come back, I'm gonna paint them. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up now because them things bad, man. They really bad, rusty, super rusty. I don't even know why. Well, I guess I do. The car, when I bought it, it came from New Jersey, so you know how they get down. Salt, snow equals rust, you know what I mean? So got me rusted up kind of bad, but we gonna clean that up. When I come back from my trip, then we gonna paint them. Let's go.
Yeah, that's what it looked like before. You feel me? Back here, trying to get some of that rust off of him. This is my method of doing. I went and bought some of this.
Rust dissolving.
Yeah, we're gonna see what that do. I just started. You know. We ain't gonna slam those back on there. Round two. It looking good though. Cause this what it look like now.
This is the truth.
Now, looks a little better than that. I'm gonna have to go take this to get washed though, right after.
Okay, all right. So, back at it again. I'm gonna paint my calipers, man, you know. I'm paint them red. I think that's the one thing, you know, I already did the brakes. Shout out to my partner, Wendell. I was in Tucson, Arizona for a few weeks. Stopped by his shop, JT Auto. Great price, good service, you know what I'm saying? Got the drilled and slotted rotors. Yeah, you know, slid back to Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? I've been back a few days. Guess I'm gonna go ahead and get my rotors. I'm gonna go ahead and paint them. You know what I'm saying? They need to look nice because y'all know how they was all messed up. So we gonna clean them up real good and then we gonna knock them things down. You heard me?
Primer. Hey, so I took these off. I'm finna actually paint these black instead of white. A lot of people leave them alone, but it's the details, people.